Hey guys, Matthew the RBX Man here. Before we get into this video, I would like to take the minute I want to give a big shout out to my friend who I just finished up a collab with a little bit ago. His name is Caden, the Strasbourg Rail fan, if I'm saying that correctly. I'm hoping. I'll go back and check it in a minute after, and I'll retake it as many times as I need to. We just finished up a collab. I did the top 10 favorite American steam engines with Caden. It's also split up into 5 separate parts because when we were on VC editing it, we found out that we couldn't put it up as one mega movie. That was the original plan, but then we found out we had to pay like $50 or something like that to actually just make it edit up. So we just said no, we're not doing that. So we split it up into a few parts. So yeah, basically that's what we did, and we're here. Hope you guys enjoyed this 450 subscriber special. Thank you for watching. Thank you for 450. Let's get to 460. Let's go. So we're here at the Expo Center. Alright, so we got it. So we're here at the Expo Center. Alex here too. No, I'm not talking about Alex. He's all the way in the UK. So we're here in one of the train show, and we're so I'm at the train show right now with Alex and my dad. Alex is here, and he doesn't want to be on camera. And no, I'm not referring to Alex Parks. That's all the way in the United Kingdom. I'm talking about the other Alex that I was with in Strasbourg in December. Ooh, this is nice. Nice southern caboose right there. That would be a keeper. Oh yeah, Alex has a voice reveal now. Awesome. Now this looks cool. 210. It's really cool. Nice Pennsylvania. Polar Express moment. Polar Express moment. Polar Express moment. Polar Express moment. What's over here? Ooh, famous. They got your typical New York Central. New York Central, Ghost of the Rail. Ooh, sweet end scale stuff. Look at all this end scale. Yeesh. It's 382 moment, everybody. 382. 382 moment. 382. Look at all this old post tubular track from Lion Hill. That's awesome. I've actually been around in the tubular track before. Maybe I will get some later. Ooh, they're selling 2 Lion Chief sets now. Isn't that cool? Go figure. Is sick. Just epic. Epic moment. That's a nice lot of steam engines. Lot of steams. Ooh, look at this. It's a looks like G-scale, honestly. It looks really like G-scale. It's big and it's really detailed. Another G-scale moment. If I find one for a good price, I'll buy it. I'm gonna head back near that Thomas to see what the price of the thing is. Yes! Nice. Nice. Just nice. Nice. This is so cool. Ooh. HO. How cool is that? Oh. I went the wrong way, so I the fucking roller. This, look at this HO stuff. Yeesh. These are actual stuff from actual trains. This is kind of cool. Ooh, ZW80. This is actually my OG Transformer. That is super sick. sick. Dude, look at how fast the cars are here. That's crazy. They got chassis ones, Union Pacifics that aren't yellow. Oh, Norfolk and Western. Dude, this would go.
Norfolk and Western's gorgeous, man.
Dang. Chassis system switcher, maybe. Massive J moment. Massive, massive J moment. Massive ooh moment. That is sick. That is so sick, 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 sick. Toys R Us. Oh, we missed Toys R Us. I really would like to get those NW coaches down there. But in a nutshell, let's look at some cars. Norfolk Southern, what the heck is your even function, bruh? I actually found these two looking around. I know what's inside. I kind of want to look in. Don't think anything's in here, but these are vintage. I know one thing though, that I do have this at home. Probably seen better days, but I do have it. I do have it. I do have it. Ooh, Southern AB A set. Nice. Let's see what they want. Well, forget that. I'm not getting that. Articulation Nation. AM1, baby. That ain't bad. Yikes. We're at a train show right now, but the one thing we don't need is cars. Alright, so I got this new Lionel switcher. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a run. And it works! Oh, and it's up to drift. What? I'll censor it out, don't worry. Dude, it's fine. I'm gonna censor it out in editing. Chill. We'll see you next time. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye! Well, Thomas, what did you think of the convention?
What you put in the
It was freaking awesome!